Today I'd like to show you one of our favorite fusion bar moves called Bird on a Perch. It's excellent for toning the back side of your legs, and you'll get great results if you do it often. To get our setup, we'll come to the ballet bar. Our hips are directly under the bar, about 12 inches from the wall. Place your feet, big toes touching and knees together as you begin to lower and lift the hips. Stay mindful of your breath, slowly inhaling and exhaling as you lower and lift. Imagine you're pressing down hard enough to rip the ballet bar off the wall as you engage the muscles in the back of your leg. Switching to one leg, match up your knees and take the right leg up to the sky. Begin to make smaller movements, but continue the base leg on the bar, pressing down onto the ballet bar as you lift your hips. Focus on lifting the hips and pushing down on the bar as hard as you can. From here, we'll go to rainbows, taking the leg up to the sky and then overhead, like half of a plow pose. Look for a nice stretch in your hamstrings here as you elongate the muscles in the back of your legs. For this demo purpose, we're only doing 4 of each move, but you want to do about 8. To finish, match up your feet and slowly roll down. A nice stretch to follow is figure 4. You can do it with a bent leg or with a straight leg, allowing the head to lift. Always remember to breathe as you stretch and to listen to your body so that the stretch feels good. Happy baby pose also stretches out the hamstrings. Join me tonight for Fusion Bar at 6 p.m. here at Casa Yoga.
You're the reason why I'm dancing in the mirror and singing in the shower.